Well, it finally stopped raining for a day, and we're going to give this mill a test run. We've got it extended out. He says he can cut 38 inches with it now instead of the stock width was 30. I'll have to ask him again on it. It's not my mill, it's obviously his. And he says when he pulled the end of the mill out, it was about 7/16 lower, and he had to adjust it up to get it level again, but that's not a big surprise because we are moving the weight of the head out there a little further, so it's going to cause a little more droop. But we're going to set it up here and do our first test cuts with this new extension. Hope it goes good. We've got it extended out here about 10 inches from the original, and you said it'll cut 38-inch logs now? Yeah. It'll cut about a 38-inch log for the span, which is pretty awesome. Well, here we go with the first test cut on this machine. We just got a little log in there to see how it goes, and then we'll switch to a bigger one. Still getting some of his adjustments right. We had this whole thing disassembled so that we could put the extender on it, so that changed the work a little bit. We're frozen?
Yeah, the water's frozen.
Oh, in the motor?
Yeah, the whole tube line and everything.
Oh. So
heat it up
the water feed on the machine is frozen, so it's not cutting right. We'll have to fix that first. So we did a successful test with the smaller log to make sure everything was working right before we cut into one of them nice big ones, and he's gone off to get a big log, and now we're going to see if it will cut a bigger piece. And here he comes now. You can see him over here. So nice little skid steer loader he's got. It's a pretty sweet setup. That's a beast of a log. Beast of a motorcycle. So there it is. You saw it working. It works great. It cut this log very nicely, and it's just beautiful wood. It's just really pretty. I really love this bluing here on the side of it. But my buddy here is pretty happy with it. It's working really well, and I think it's going to be a nice piece of equipment for him. And I've got myself a nice slab in the back of my truck for some future project that I'll probably never do. But at least I've got it. So, you know, now the wife can complain about it for the next 20 years. But until the next time, thanks for watching The Dirty Shop.